my brother and my niece and nephew today for lunch after 10 years. Because my brother is back to the work on Sunday. Kaya nakita kami hindi. Kasi every time na nandito ako, nasa work siya, kaya hindi kami nakikita. My brother working in the cruise ship jeep. Let's go. My brother, after 10 years.
Hello. I meet my sister.
I'm looking shoes, guys. I think this one. It's mine. Look at shoes right here. Si Baby, hi baby.
Dito kay ano kay Katalupuan.
Huh? What? Oh, the other side pala. I think no need na. It's fine. That's enough hanger. Ito. I don't know if you like. I'm looking paler, guys. Ivan? Get the file. Hi guys, we're now at the house, guys. From SM, guys. Different SM store. We bought this guy, oh. Because I need this in the house. This one, failure. And we bought this again, guys. 72. Sure. And we bought this 55. And this 1,000. And I bought banana. This banana saba, guys, is 80. Ay, 65 lang, guys. $25. But if you buy this in the Asian store, 1 piece is $1. Yeah. Frozen. But over here, guys, 6 pieces, $1. And my brother gave me this calamansi from Bicol. Thank you to my brother. And that's it, guys. This is so beautiful right here, guys. Downstairs, right there. And over here also. Huh? Huh? Yeah, over here. And over here also. I've also over here. Very nice, guys. I like this condo. Kasi dito sa center, guys. Maganda siya. Isento sisi. Over here na. 30. Still gone. Very big over here. I think if I don't know, where are you? Tanong. Big space man over here. Ah, this is library. Have library right there. Then the elevator. Huh? What's that? Bar? Ah, coffee. Oh, have coffee over there if you want coffee. I need to see right here. I cannot see. Right there. Over here. You can sit over here, guys. Lot of sitting area. And then open siya. Open. Library. Right there. And over here. 6th floor, guys, ito. Alibay Cafe. Right there. And that there. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday, guys. Nagtapon ako ng basura, guys. Down, guys. Yung tapunan ng basura, guys, sa underground building. UB. And look at that guy, very nice. Going down. Tara! UB. Doon ako magtapon ng basura, guys. Dito pala yung tapunan ng basura, guys. Ground. Over there ang elevator. Very nice. Where's that? Asa matatapunan ng basura doon? Dito pala yung garbage bin. Garbage bin. Right here. Parking lot over here. And over here, the mailbox. May mailbox dito, guys. Kaya pwede kang magtapon ng basura kahit everyday. Very convenient guys to throw the trash. I like this place, guys. Mostly in the center of plant. That is real plant, guys. Imperial. Have also real plant. Very nice. I love this place. Beautiful. Madaming bakal tigay. The elevator. Look at downstairs over there. I don't know if this one going to Saputi Market and right there doing things. We're at my sister house, guys. Sari-sari store. Siyang sari-sari store, guys. Sari-sari store. Over here. Have also in the rep something. This rice, guys, this old rice. How much the kilo? 45, guys, and this is we eat now, guys. Let's.
Madilim ah.
Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang.
Ha?
Okay lang. Look at this is craving me this guy. Oh. Salmoniti, and this is the rice. The rice is very yummy, guys. Oh. Kaanli. Kain ito nito ng sobrang dami. This is one of my favorite, guys, salmoniti. Sari-sari store. That's it. Look at the electric man. High tech. That's it, guys. Very yummy. The taste of the rice, guys. Yung parang bangus na kanin. Ang sarap. Kakain tayo nito ng sobrang daming rice. Pati ulo, guys. Masarap sa support. So yummy. Yung nabili sa store na bigas, parang iba man ang lasa niya. Bibili ako ng 1 kilo niya. Kasi masarap siya. Mas masarap pa sa jasmine rice. Continue eating. We're at my sister house, guys. We cook piece of with moringa today. This is the moringa. Maghagpatag moringa, guys. Haluan sa isda. Ito yung isda, guys. I swear the piece. What the piece, guys? We bought this piece, guys. 280. I don't know how many kilos then. Ay, 280 ang kilo. Tapos ito, mas mura ang chicken, guys. 165 lang ang kilo sa chicken. Mas mahal ang isda. Thanks for today, guys. Yes, soup with moringa. Luto ng aking sister.
Hindi guys. Ito.
Akala ko naka-ready na wala ka doon. Apat na sigurong tasya. Tasya lahat? Ito isda ang aking sister. Takpan. Lalsik ang matika. Using gasol. That's the gasol. Magkano ngayon ang gasol? How much the gasol? 1,1? Ah, 1,1 pa lang gasol. Dati nung 2015, nasa 800 lang yan eh.
Butan na 600 eh. Pero ngayon, ano na?
Tanaw daw. Kusog ang ulan dahil it's raining. Sana ma-stop na siya. Let's eat the rice and fish with moringa soup. Hi guys, let's eat guys. Ang mukha. Very strong rin. Ayan na. Iluna's Kitchen, love serve daily. This is our business guy. All decor. Ari ang kanal. Para pag